Well, good morning everybody. Today we're gonna sail for a couple of days with Craig on this beauty Lelissima. Ooh, I've missed her so much. We got it ready to sail. Isn't it amazing? We're gonna prepare the ice, take down the sails. We got the sleeping bags, the ice in the fridge, and we're gonna do it now. Here we go. Hello, Lelissima, Bellissima. Whew. Ice in the fridge. Oh, turn on the fridge. We have this just in case. We have this. Temperature. Woo-hoo-hoo. How cool is that? Huh? How cool is that? And there's a new autopilot, the GPS, those things. I forgot how they're called. Yeah, that's the boat. There's the living room, the sleeping place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people can dock on this boat. This is the restroom. And it's ready to be used. And also the shower, kind of. Look at that. It's beautiful. Summer's gone. And we have banana. Yeah, banana. Yeah, and that's Craig. Hey, Craig.
Hey, who am I talking to?
To the iPhone camera. That's gonna
Why
be a
are you
post.
on vertical?
Because I like to talk to myself and look at myself when I talk. Ooh.
Careful, this is heavy.
Well, I'm a strong guy.
Heavy. Yeah, but it's gonna may rip.
I'm a strong guy. Okay. Look at that work here.
Whoa.
Oh! Sorry guys, good morning. The ones to sleep, we don't care. Because we are Mexicans. Arriba! We going to Mexico, baby. We going to Mexico, baby. Well, okay, enough for this one for now. We'll do some more videos after we prep. What's there? Vegetables and stuff. Okay, what else I wanted to show you is, I mean, look at those details in the boat. Look. Well, there's lights. We just changed it last night. Yesterday. These are new. Oh, what else? This is the compass. We're gonna put it there on the steering. That's kind of it. That's a cool boat. Lelissima. Oh, Lelissima.